Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm doing a video. I'm going to be showing you the Israfils. I have 3 pairs here. This is going to be like a resell prediction / hold video. So if you guys are wondering if you should hold these shoes, it's an absolute yes. You shouldn't sell them right now unless you're willing to make $20 or $30 profit on this pair, which is kind of ridiculous for a pair of Yeezys in 2020. So you got a size 7 right here. Got a size 9.5, and you got a size 10.5 here. Size 7 is selling for like $305 right now. 9.5 is like $270, and 10.5 is almost the same thing, maybe a little bit less. So it's fluctuating a lot right now. Same thing with the Zyons. If you have the Zyons, guys, hold on to it. That's my personal opinion. I'm gonna show you a little bit. Let me get this right here. A little bit what these things look like. This is the, I'm gonna show you guys the size 7. So like usual, it has a lot of the, the same markings as the Zyons that came out. New stitching on the back and the front. Has this yellowish orange tinted fabric here, like the Zyons did. They had them in the moon. I think it was like maroon color. It's not black. It has this lace tab right here that you pull it to tighten it instead of the other laces. It does come with the lace pack. Every pair should have this. I know my friend told me that his didn't come with it. That's right here. This pack right here has the laces in it, the real laces, and in order to put those laces on, you actually have to cut off the laces that are on there right now, which is kind of stupid. But I think it's a nice colorway for like fall. These are definitely going to go up. There's no way that a size 7, which is the best size, is going to sell for $305 and stay at $305. So I'm thinking around Christmas time is the longest you'd have to wait for these to go up. But yeah, these and the Zyons are definitely going to go up a lot in price. I would definitely hold them. I wouldn't sell them right away unless you need the money. I mean, if you really need the money, I would just sell them. But if you wait, you're definitely going to make a lot more money than you would right now. And it's also a nice shoe to display on, like on a wall or somewhere, Yeah, so I think by Christmas time they should be at around, I'm going to open the 9.5. They should be around like, I think the higher sizes should be around 300, and the smaller sizes should be around 360 to 400, closer to the 400 mark. This is the 9.5, a little bit different just because it's bigger, but all around looks the same. Now I've been switching my setup around, making videos, because I'm just trying to see what's right. I'm changing my room soon. I'm gonna make like a little section just for making videos, just so it's not crazy everywhere. Every video is different. But yeah, clean shoe all around. I'd actually rock these. They look a lot better on feet than not on feet, but yeah. So hold them. They're gonna go up. If you want to buy them right now, the highest I buy them at is like $250 to $245. If you want to hold them to resell them. And yeah. If you guys are new to the channel, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I have new videos all the time. I made a YouTube video on how to get unlimited Adidas raffles entries without having to have multiple phone numbers that's your own, and without having multiple devices. So I check that out if you guys are interested in hitting more often. As you can see, I get a lot of pairs in and out. So yeah. I'm also doing a Jordan 1 giveaway, the Royal Toes, size 8. I'm giving those away once I hit 2,000 followers, and that's going to be pretty soon because I'm at 1,500 right now. So all you have to do is like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment down below, done, and your Instagram name so I know who you are. So once I hit 2K, I'm going to go through all those, put it in the generator, and get a number. And then I'm going to choose somebody, and I'm going to message you on Instagram. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.